folks, Rich here at RCINFORMER. Today I have a quick intro video on a brand new line of batteries coming from RCINFORMER.com. This is their all-new 70C rated line of batteries. Just a very high C rating, mostly intended for EDF jet use. Now, about 10 months ago, I put out some of the first Roaring Top videos and started using these batteries back then. And I have really run the heck out of these things in all of my airplanes. These are the actual batteries I showed you in those videos, and they have been holding up really nicely. And mostly I've been using these 2235 seat packs, both 3 and 4 cells, in a lot of different airplanes. Been using them in the FMS stuff, been using them in the Avios and Durafly lines from Hobby King. Also in the Banggood.com airplanes like the F8F Bearcat, P51 and T28, and they have been holding up fantastic. You can see no real puffing in them or anything, and again, just really running the heck out of them, and they've been holding up nice. So it's real easy to kind of endorse these things and just kind of recommend them to everybody. Also, I've been running these 5,000 milliamp 60C 4-cell packs in series, running them in the HSD 8-cell Super Viper, also the TAF Valkyrie 8-cell on the JP Fan, and just recently the Taft 8-cell Super Scorpion. So been getting a lot of use out of these, and you guys have seen all these batteries fly in a lot of my videos, and they have been holding up nicely. So again, real easy to endorse these things. Taking a look inside the package of the new 70C line, you can see they just come packaged pretty simple. Not a whole lot to show really with a battery, other than just the quality and construction's been really nice, and again, they've been holding up well. So anyway, guys, a couple things to note about the batteries. This is a 5500 70C pack. I'm going to be running 2 of these in series, okay, and the HSD F1612 cell. So there's going to be a lot of amps, a lot of draw going through these things. And one thing I've noticed about the Roaring Top batteries, you notice they put this little piece of foam here to protect the connector from dinging the battery. But one thing I've noticed is they seem to put bullets on the end of the batteries, or just a connector really soldered on to get these things through transport. This is a clone of a Dean's connector, really intended for no more than like 60 amp draw. So I'm going to be pulling probably 100, 120, maybe even 130 amp draw out of these, the 2 of these. So you know, you're really going to want to put something stronger on there. What I'm going to use, and what I highly recommend, folks, is the AN150 line of connectors here. You can see here's 2 of the females, and here's the male end here with a spark arrestor on there, and you can see they go together well. These are 7 millimeter bullets, guys, so really big bullets. Highly recommend these for most of your high power settings, especially if you're going to use something like I'm going to use, which is going to be a 12-cell setup with 2 6s wired together in series. If you're not using quite that high power, you can also go with, of course, EC5s that really work quite well. Let's see if I can find the right end here. But either one of these connectors should be good, but you got to solder on the proper connector, guys, for the type of draw and the type of a power setting that you're going to use. So 5500 milliamps should give me a little bit extra flight time, and the HSD F1612 cell will definitely carry it. It fits in there beautifully. I've already tried it already. Also, guys, coming from Roaring Top, they have pretty much every size you could imagine there. And what this thing is here is this is going to be my receiver pack for the F-16. So they have that airplane rigged up to run just a 2-cell lithium pack 2200. This has actually an EC2 connector on there, which is kind of an odd size, but anyway, it'll get the job done. I may even switch back to a Dean's for that. But really nice batteries, guys, coming from Roaring Top. Check out their new 70C line coming from there. And keep watching for videos, guys. I'm going to have some flight demos using these 70Cs and probably even some of the other ones there as well. Check these out again at RCINFORMER.com. Thanks for checking out RCINFORMER, guys. And as always, we'll see you next time.